Hey, I'm Josh Huff here, and we are at Kansas City Furnishing Company, one of our great sponsors that allows us to store some of our stuff here. I am loading up the tires right now on the cart. We're gonna swap out the stock wheels for the Golf R, and tomorrow I'm gonna be driving that to Tulsa and trading it in for a Mk8 GTI with 3 miles on it. We're really excited. Big things changing here at Huff Racing. Just wanted to let you guys see kind of our final send off to the car. Yeah, here it is. Gotta make sure it's in gear. Let's see what we can get for this thing tomorrow. Hey, Josh Huff here. We are on I-35. We are heading towards Tulsa. I am in our 2012 Golf R. We are trading it in, actually. I'm getting something we are pretty excited about. It's gonna be a really fun car. We are gonna be in Tulsa in about 4 hours, and then you'll get to see our new Beam. So the Golf R, the 2012 Golf R that we have, has never been as competitive as we wanted it to be. You know, that just happens. It was kind of an untested platform, and we kind of found out why. With the tune, it made up for a lot of things, but the weight of the car just kind of, it was hard. You couldn't outfight that. So yeah, we just kind of have gotten put into the situation now where it's either get a new car or continue to do good regionally and not be able to win nationally, which is that's not why we're out here. That's not what we're doing this for. I've spent the last week talking to pretty much every Volkswagen dealership that would answer the phone. I had about 6 different dealerships that we were talking to, getting the best price for this car that we're going to pick up. So we've reached the 1-lane highway part of this drive through Kansas. Luckily, it's a little more interesting and it keeps the drive a little bit interesting when you're alone with your thoughts. Not sure if you can see it, but we've been in Oklahoma a total of like 3 minutes. Just barely missed getting a video of the welcome to Oklahoma sign. My first time driving this, first time driving a Mk8 GTI. I mean, I did a little bit of a test drive, but for the most part, I've seen the proof in the autocross pudding. That is, you know, Ron Williams and people like Phil Meredith who are being really successful in the platform so far. So, yeah, I'm just excited to get this thing out to a track, honestly. So, we'll see what we have done before spring nats. We're gonna keep on chugging along, get some miles under our belt. We are at, I don't know. I do not know where my odometer is. So. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go eat dinner and go to bed.